Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about a common challenge that many language learners face. That is, what to do when there's nobody to speak English. If you are also looking for someone to speak English with you, this video is for you. Here I have got a lot of valuable tips and strategies to share with you. Let's begin with something important. Why speaking English really matters. Speaking is the key to unlock your language potential. And it's not just about words, it's about abilities to connect, share, and express yourself. When you speak, you are taking a step closer to your dreams. And it's like having a superpower that opens up doors to new opportunities, friendships, and experiences. So let's embrace the journey of speaking English because with each word you say, you are getting closer to a world of possibilities. Our first technique is self talk. First, try talking to yourself in English. When you talk to yourself, you can practice speaking without needing anyone else. In this practice, you can talk about your day, your thoughts, or anything you like. Speaking to yourself might seem a bit strange at first, but it's a great way to get better at speaking English. Next, reading aloud. Reading out loud is a good way to learn English speaking. When you take a book or an article and read it aloud, for example, when you read words out loud, you practice saying them correctly, which enhances your pronunciation. Regular reading aloud increases your fluency and makes it easier to speak English smoothly. It exposes you to new words and phrases. Reading aloud also forces you to understand what you are reading and it improves your overall comprehension. Another tip is watching and repeating. Learning English by watching and repeating is a helpful approach. For this, you can choose engaging content. Start by selecting movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos in English that you find interesting. This will keep you motivated to speak English. Watch and listen to the content carefully. Pay attention to the pronunciation, intonation of words, and how words are used in sentences. For this, you can pause the video or audio and try to repeat what you just heard. Focus on mimicking the speaker's tone and pronunciation as closely as possible. Learn new words and phrases from the content you watch and use a dictionary or language learning apps to look up unfamiliar words. And you can also record your own voice while repeating sentences. This will help you to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. So, guys, that's how by watching and repeating, you can gradually improve your listening and speaking skills in English. And it's an effective way to become fluent and confident. Next, language exchange partners. Language exchange partners are invaluable. Connect with people who want to learn your native language while helping you with English. Platforms like Tandem and HelloTalk can be your bridge to conversations with native speakers. Next up, let's talk about learning from writing. You can get better at speaking English by writing things down. Try writing about your day, your thoughts, or anything you want in English. Writing helps you to understand words and sentences in a better way and it makes your speaking stronger. So grab a pen and paper or use a computer and start writing in English every day. This will definitely help you a lot. Now let's talk about something exciting. Traveling in your mind and acting. Imagine you are going on an adventure without leaving your home, just in your mind. You can do this by pretending you are in an English speaking place. For this, you can describe what you would do and where you would go. It's like acting in your own movie. This helps you use English in different situations and makes learning more fun. So use your imagination and start your English adventure today. Now let's talk about talking online friends. You can find friends who speak English online. It's like having a conversation with a friend through the computer or phone. You can join groups where people chat in English. This is a good way to practice talking and make new friends from different places. This way is also going to help you. Now let's talk about taking online English lessons. You can learn English on the internet with courses. These courses have lessons and activities to help you get better. You can find them on websites like Coursera, edX, or Duolingo. When you take these lessons, you have teachers who can help you and you can practice speaking and writing. Next, keeping a language journal. Keeping a language journal is a reflective practice. Write in English about your day, thoughts, goals, or experiences. This enhances your writing skills and keeps you accountable for daily practice. So, guys, I told you what to do when there's nobody to speak English with you. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Stay persistent, practice regularly, and celebrate your progress. If you found these tips valuable, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow language learners, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.